Okay guys, let's talk about our cleaning agent quickly. So first here I have the Zoflora. This is the seasonal scent. This is springtime. I have been using this and I absolutely love the smell of it. So we're gonna be using that today to basically wipe anything that we need that needs wiped. I also have some wipes here. This is the lemon zinc that I've been using for a while now. Absolutely amazing, but I love the springtime one a little bit better, so we're going to be using this today. It just smells so good. And I have in here a crease releaser. This I'm going to be using on my beddings, especially my beddings that I'm not going to be ironing, because I don't know about you guys, I am too lazy to iron beddings. But this is so good. It helps your bedding to, basically it's a crease releaser, so it helps your bedding to look like you iron them when you actually didn't. You just spray this on top of the bedding and it just straightens it, make it look like you ironed it. But so I also have here a duster, which is going to be dusting things as we go. This is a fabric refresher. I'm going to be using this to freshen up the beds, the living room, and all that kind of stuff. I know that I don't usually show you guys me cleaning the bedrooms, because I just feel like it's just too intimate to be showing all of that. Yeah, so just imagine it. And here I have a tumble dryer sheet. I'll show you guys what I use these sheets for in a minute, but they're absolutely amazing. And then this is a mirror and glass cleaner. I'm just going to be using this to wipe down any glass thingy that I think needs cleaning. And this is a room spray. I don't usually need this because I already use this the Zoflora, because I don't usually need this because I already have the Zoflora spray and it works absolutely fine and it smells nice as well. But just in case I need a top up of anything, I'd have that there as well. So yes, let's just go around. As I said, I've already done most of the cleaning the other day, so right now is literally just refreshing things and just making things look and smell a bit nice.